Welcome to our World of Concrete 2025 coverage. Today, we've got something super exciting for all of you concrete or metal workers out there. We're talking about the new Bosch GCS 18V-230N, a cordless powerhouse that's designed to make your cutting work faster, easier, and way more efficient than ever before. Now, we've all seen a cordless cutoff saw at this point in all shapes and sizes from all the major brands, but here's the cool part. We actually got to check out this beast in action prior to its launch at World of Concrete. And after talking to the experts and getting our hands on it, we saw firsthand how it stands up to the toughest jobs. Spoiler alert, it does not disappoint. So what makes this saw stand out? First off, obviously it's cordless. So no more worrying about tripping over extension cords or dealing with gas engines, repairs, fumes, headaches, all that fun stuff. This is powered by Bosch's 18-volt brushless motor, which might make you think, can this really compete with similar 40-volt or 60-volt models? And yes, it totally can. They really researched the market and delivered a surprising amount of power, which Bosch has always had great battery tech, so there's no surprise here. And if you're working with concrete, you'll appreciate the intuitive water shutoff valve, which helps control water usage during cutting, keeping dust and debris down, and ensuring your workspace stays cleaner. Whether you're cutting concrete sidewalk slabs or control cuts on a massive commercial foundation, this feature helps reduce the mess and keeps things safer for everyone around. This saw features a 9-inch cutting wheel that allows for large and efficient cuts with a depth of up to 3.3 inches, making it perfect for tough materials like concrete, metal, and rebar. One of the features unique to Bosch's cutoff saw is the 6-position cutting guard, which lets you easily adjust to your preferred working angle. Another key feature is the spindle lock lever, which makes swapping out your cutting wheel super easy. No fussing around or struggling with tools, just a quick lock and unlock and you're good to go. Bosch has also done a great job with the ergonomic design of this tool, offering a wraparound handle and soft grip that makes it more comfortable to use compared to many other competitors. Whether you're cutting through concrete slabs or metal pipes, this saw adapts to your needs smoothly, providing excellent control and reducing fatigue. Plus, the lightweight design makes it easier to handle, so you're not worn out after just a few cuts. And for those of you who do a lot of overhead work like cutting steel beams or pipes, you'll appreciate how balanced this tool is. It's specifically designed to make those tough cuts feel like a walk in the park. Seems simple, but not everyone gets this right. Another thing that makes Bosch's 9-inch cutoff saw stand out against the competition is that this tool runs on an 18-volt amp share system. If you're not familiar with amp share, it's basically a collection of tool brands that came together and decided to use all the same battery platform, giving you the benefit of the same batteries across multiple lines of tools. Prefer Bosch for some jobs but fine for another? No problem. You can easily swap the same battery over and get to work. This cost-effective and convenient system gives you more versatility and flexibility when it comes to choosing what tool is right for you. Plus, as a brand, Bosch is already well known for their top-of-the-line concrete tools. With their Bulldog rotary hammers, premium carbide accessories, and more, they've earned a reputation in the trade for precision, durability, and performance. When you pick up a Bosch, you're getting more than just a tool, you're getting years of innovation and expertise behind it. And you know we've got your back when it comes to peace of mind. This tool is covered by Bosch's 5-year limited warranty, so if anything goes wrong, you're covered. That's a huge win for those pros who invest a lot of money in these tools and rely on them every single day. So what do you get in the box? You'll find a 9-inch cutoff saw, a diamond cutoff wheel, an abrasive cutoff wheel, the water shutoff valve, and a lock nut wrench. Everything you need to get started right out of the box. But what do you think? Ready to add this work beast to your toolkit? If you want to step up your cutting game, this is a great way to go. So make sure to check out the new Bosch 9-inch cutoff saw, available now at Ohio Power Tool.
Have any other questions? Leave a comment. Call us, email us, fax us. We'd love to hear from you. Want to see more of our content? Leave a like, subscribe, or check out one of these videos. Thanks for watching. Get back to work.